Hello there. Today, I want to talk to you about Commerce Agent. What is Commerce Agent? It's a new era of AI search. A few years ago, you would probably go to Google if you want to buy a headphone, for example, and would search, what's the best wireless headphones under 150 pounds? Then Google would give you a list of websites, or you would see images of products you would buy. Then you would choose, would compare the prices, check delivery time, perhaps watch one or two YouTube videos regarding the product. But now the journey can be much shorter and is different. You might simply ask the AI assistant, I need headphones under 150 pounds for work calls, traveling, and listening to music. What should I buy? So this is a big change for e-commerce and for merchants, because in the way that the market is going, the customer probably won't even visit your website, because the AI, the commerce agent, will do everything for you. Then the question you should ask is that no longer is, are we ranking on Google? But the question now is, when AI recommends headphones, does it understand the trust and choose your brand? In this video, we will look at what AI commerce agents are, why merchants need to act now, and what needs to be prepared, what kind of actions merchants need to do. So come with me and let's have a look in a deeper way what AI commerce or commerce agent is. So this is the big shift. So AI commerce agent is a big shift. So, and this is the reason why merchants must act now. Act before the agents decide who gets recommended and who disappears. Because a lot of people, a lot of merchants, a lot of e-commerces, they will disappear. So what changes now? What are the changes? The first one is customers ask AI what to buy, not Google anymore. The agents will compare what fit, trust, and price, what fits to you. So it will save your time and your effort to go on Google and or any other search engine to make the comparison, because it will understand what is suitable for you. And in the third is that AI agents, commerce agents, they only select the brands they trust. So the new buyer journey is not a funnel, it's a conversation. If you are mentioned, you are part of the funnel. If you are recommended, you have a better chances to sell your product. So the first step is the customer will ask, then the AI agent will filter what is considered the best for you or for your client. We'll make the comparison, then we'll recommend what it considers to be most suitable for you. And it can happen the click at the moment now, like it's the AI agents, they make available the link, the click. So the link, this is already happening, but it's evolving to a more sophisticated process that will be mentioned here on the slides as well. So the recommendation happens before the visit. So how can we define AI commerce agent? So AI commerce agent is a buying assistant that can interpret intent, compare options, and guide purchase decisions. AI can understand much better human being than the human being itself. It can map our personality. It can understand ourselves better than ourselves. If you didn't make the test yet, ask what AI thinks about you. Ask AI or perhaps ChatGPT to give a map of your personality. Of course, after you've been using this for a time, and it will tell you. You might be surprised how much AI knows about you. So when you inquire, it will evaluate the options uh, related to the product data, reviews, availability, pricing, credibility, and fit. And then the third process is the recommendation. So we will shortlist, explain, and route to checkout and or prepare the purchase. The next step, that's as I mentioned, is that the AI agent will do all the process, even complete the purchase. And that's why you need to act now, because the agent commerce is moving from a concept to an infrastructure. It's already happening. At the moment, if you ask for a comparison, the ChatGPT, they will give you the links that you can to buy, a little bit similar even of what Google is. So the first signal that OpenAI gives is like OpenAI describes ChatGPT shopping as a richer product discovery powered by the agent commerce protocol, which products compare side by side using price and reviews in future. And the second signal is the OpenAI currently says it's prioritizing product discovery and merchant-owned checkout experience. Users discover and evaluate, and ChatGPT then complete purchases on merchant websites or apps. So it's still clicking. So if you recommended and someone compare your website and you will be mentioned and recommended, you might get the click and complete the sales. But this is changed because, as I mentioned, is a whole infrastructure being created, and OpenAI is working with Stripe to create this infrastructure of completing purchase. So AI will also complete the purchase for you. So if your site has a weak data, thin reviews, no comparison with your competitors, if it's a show that's unclear fit, then you give a low trust. Then probably you've been invisible and won't be recommended. So you must act. And so this is like you needed to check your product feed, how your product is being described. Look your trust signals, your digital footprint, look your checkout process. If you given enough information about like your products, like with structure pages, like schema, FAQs, clear specs, delivery time, returns, the policy returns, and other user cases. And answer the buy questions as well. Create blogs and articles, answering the blog, answering the customer questions that your customers might have. So to help you understand how your brand, how your business is being perceived by AI, Luciqo.ai was designed for this purpose. So you can track your visibility, your AI visibility. You can diagnostic recommendation. Luciqo will give you like what are the trend risks and what the opportunities. And now also will give you an action roadmap. Will tell you what are the priorities. With Luciqo, you can even integrate your data, your App Analytics data in your CRM in order to understand much better your audience and the intent of your audience. It's not just reporting, it's a decision intelligence for agent e-commerce, Luciqo.ai. So the merchant workflow on Luciqo is like audit, find your digital footprint for your brand, test, like track, you can track 100 up to 100 prompts and see where you've been mentioned and recommended and what not. Diagnose, trust content and feed the pages. So you find what are the gaps that you need to be filling. You, like as I mentioned, you can create persona using your data in order to understand better your audience and prioritize those type of audience that has a high intent to convert, and measure your improvements. With Luciqo, you can do that. Before your customers ask AI what to buy, ask AI what it thinks about you, about your brand. And Luciqo AI can help you to understand and manage and measure and also improve your visibility across AI recommendation environments. So sign up on Luciqo. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you liked the video and found it useful. Get ready for this big change that is coming. That's the commerce agent. Act now. Sign up on Luciqo and get information and start to be recommended on AI. Thank you.